Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the bonus love reads. This reading is going to be for the sign of Pisces. I will be doing this reading for Leo and Scorpio as they got the most views. For the reads that I uploaded today, I will be doing bonus love read for them tomorrow as I will see which signs got the most views for them, and then I will be choosing sign from them as well. So yeah, for now I will be doing this read for just 3 signs, which includes Pisces, Scorpio and Leo. So let's see, this one is going to be for the sign of Pisces, and the topic of the reading is going to be will you reunite with them? Whoever it is that you are in separation with and you really want to reunite with that specific someone, you really wonder, will you reunite with them? Yes or no? We're going to tap into that. We will also pull out messages from your person as well. We will also include oracle guidance as well for you. So stay tuned. Before I dive into the read, let me remind you, it's a general read. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the signs and messages which resonates and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also check out other services that I offer as well. So yeah, fishies, let's see. Whoever it is that you are in separation with right now, maybe you are in no communication, maybe you have broken up. Wow. Hold on. So yeah, maybe you have broken up with that person, or maybe you are in detachment. Whatever the scenario is, you really want to reunite with them, reconcile with them, and you really want to know, will you reconcile with them or not? Let's find out. I feel like there's a lot going on in this connection between the two of you. Like, there's a lot of heavy energy between the two of you right now. Let's see. Will you guys reunite? Let's begin. 10 of Cups, 4 of Pentacles. Yes, you will. 6 of Swords, 3 of Cups. Yes, a big yes. You guys are going to reunite. No matter what the current circumstances are, yes, you will reunite. Now, I feel like, it's the person that you are dealing with, whether they say it or they don't, they are manifesting you as much as you are manifesting them. They might not show it to you, they might not reveal it to you, how do they truly feel for you, but that's exactly what they are doing. They are not letting you go. They are not gonna let you go away from them. Like, maybe right now you are not talking, but this person has been showing up in your dreams through different signs. They have been trying to stay in touch with you. They might have been in touch with you on a non-physical realm, where you might be seeing them in your dreams, hearing their names. You might be seeing the places that you have been with that person. You might have been having flashes of this person as well. So this person is basically not going to let you go. So I do see that yes, you will be reuniting with this person. Why? Because this person really wish exactly the same you wish with them. They want to have a happy life with you. Right now they are not taking any action towards you. That's what I'm picking up, but soon they will. You are going to reunite with this person. Let's take more cards here. 6 of Wands, again a yes card. 4 of Cups. For some of you, maybe your person could be on the waiting side for you to reach out to them, and if that's the case, your person is somebody who's very stubborn, somebody who's very what do we call it, bossy, somebody who doesn't want to take action, somebody who's egoistic as well. That could be them as well. But I feel like, yes, it could be like a situation where you might have experienced a situation where every time you could be the one who always reach out to that person. Even now too, this person is waiting because they are habitual to you reaching out to them, you taking action towards them. And if you don't do that, you might have experienced that in the past as well. If you never did that, they might have been the one who reached out to you first, and in a very casual way, not in a way where they are going to be expressive or something like that. So it seems like, as you are not going to do that, this person is going to first wait, and when they don't see you going towards them, they will be taking a step towards you. Now the reunion is definitely destined to happen between the two of you. Yes, it will be. Now, how will it happen? Just leave that to the divine. Like, just know it is going to happen. You both love, miss each other exactly the way, the other person, you miss them, they love you, you miss them. It's more like, whatever the feeling that you are having for this person is mutual. But yes, your person seems to be kind of stubborn or egoistic as well. um, they might wait for some divine help to intervene, to make things easy for them to uh, you know uh, this person doesn't want to be the first one to take action, basically, is what I'm picking up. So that's why they are waiting for the divine to come in and intervene in the situation. But to be very honest, I feel like, this person will have to take step towards you. I don't see you taking any step towards this person. And yeah, the union is definitely going to happen. The reconciliation is definitely happening. Let's take some messages from your person right now, since you are in no communication with this person. Let's see what they have to add to what do they want you to know, what their message is. I still love you unconditionally. This person really does. And like I told you, I feel like, this person might have never expressed their love, but they hold you very close to their chest. They really keep their emotions, feelings to themselves. They might have never given into the connection with you, neither they were never ready to leave you as well. So they really want you to know that they love you unconditionally, and I hid who I truly am from you. So they have never expressed their true self to you, for sure. Let's see what the oracle has to add to the read. Happy married life is yet to happen for the two of you together. Are you ready? Reflect. Now, for some of you, the delays that you are having right now in the communication could be because of yourself. Maybe you need to look within to find what could be this block that you might be having right now when it comes to this reconciliation that you are wishing and hoping for. Law of attraction techniques are going to help you a lot to get what you want. Now, what that suggests is, law of attraction suggests that whatever you think, whatever is all what you become. Make sure that you keep your thoughts positive, and keep yourself positive, like, just vibing high. All that you need to do is love yourself, pamper yourself. Rest will come to you when the time is right. You don't have to do much. Just stay positive and believe that you are worthy of it. Take care of yourself. That's exactly what you need to do. You don't need to take any action towards this person, to be very honest. Let this person come to you when they are ready, to embrace their true feelings for you, and ready to take action towards you as well. Let's see what are the divine messages. A new romantic cycle begins. It's gonna come up very soon for the two of you. The new romantic cycle will be coming in very strong. A time to give rather than take. I feel like, it's high time for your person to give into the connection than taking things from you in this connection. So I feel like, that's what is happening in your future from your person's end into this connection. They will be coming towards you, is what I'm picking up more than anything else. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope it was of help, and if it did, do like, share, and subscribe till I do the next reading for you guys. Take care. Bye.